Introduce highlight features or overview summary about PHILODECO 4.5L Cool Mist Humidifier. Maintaining the right level of humidity in your home is essential for comfort, health, and overall well-being. The PHILODECO Bedroom Humidifier is designed to create a refreshing environment with powerful performance, quiet operation, and user-friendly features that make it an excellent choice for modern households. One of its standout features is its immersive 360 degrees humidification system, powered by advanced suspended atomization technology. This ensures consistent and even moisture distribution throughout your room, without leaks or mess. With a specially designed 360 degrees mist nozzle, it enhances air quality from every angle. The unit also includes a dedicated fragrance cartridge, allowing you to add your favorite essential oils and enjoy both humidified and beautifully scented air. Quiet operation is a key highlight, with a noise level of only 25 decibels, quieter than most libraries. This makes it perfect for bedrooms, nurseries, and offices, providing you with restful sleep or focused work time without disturbances. Intuitive mechanical buttons let you choose from 3 mist levels and timers of 3, 6, or 9 hours. In addition, a clear indicator light helps monitor the device's status at a glance. The PHILODECO humidifier is designed with convenience in mind. Its large 4.5 L water tank ensures up to 45 hours of continuous operation, reducing the need for frequent refills. Despite its impressive runtime, it consumes only 18 Watt of power, making it extremely energy efficient and cost-effective for daily use. For added ambience, it also features a 7-color LED light that creates a soft, soothing atmosphere without straining the eyes. Maintenance is equally simple, thanks to its fully disassemble components that allow thorough cleaning to ensure long-term hygiene and performance. The auto shut-off function activates when water levels are low, preventing dry burning and keeping your home safe at all times. Whether placed in a bedroom, nursery, living room, or office, this humidifier blends function, safety, and style. The PHILODECO Bedroom Humidifier is more than just a device, it's a complete solution for fresher, more comfortable air every day. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, recommend new products releases, update all day YouTube channel, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.